Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back for another video. Hope you're doing well. Full body workout with resistance band. I'm using like not so tight one. I think 10 pounds, I think, not more. Let's warm up first and then step by step. Knees on the ground, arms on the ground, slowly starting with upper body first. Point your toes and right arm reach as high as possible. Open up. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. Switch. Left one. Good job. 3, 2, 1. Back. Slowly. Down facing dog. Flex your legs. Then slowly one by one bend your knee right. Left. 2, 3. Go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go ahead. 8, 9, 10. Hold. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And back. Knees on the ground. Let's warm up a little bit our upper body. From here, relax your thoracic spine and then push up and then back and then push up and then back and then push up and then back. 5, 6. Go ahead. 7. Awesome. 8. Breathe. 9. 4 more. 10. Okay. Release. Grab your resistance band and we start with something very simple. Straight legs. Fix it on your toes. Straight arms. Lie down. We will start from our shoulders and arms together. And legs together, but first with arms, then with legs. Just with arms back. Raise your head and push from your arms back. 2, 3. Go ahead. 4, 5, 6. Good job. 7, 8, 9. One more. 10. Back. Then bend your legs. Okay, then we work legs with arms together. Push your legs is pushing forward, arms back. 1 and back. 2. Go ahead. 3. Breathe. 4, 5, 6, 7. Engage your low back and core. 8, 9, 10. Exhale. Legs on the ground. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Let's go. One more set. Straight arms. Raise your legs. Raise your head. And we work forward. 1 and back. 2. Go ahead. 3, 4. Good job. 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. 9. One more. 10. And back. Release. Breathe. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Good job. Then we continue with legs. Stand up a bit. You bend your resistance band. Fix it on your left leg. From here, lie down. Bend your left leg first. Keep your elbows on the floor. Push with your elbows back. Bend your right leg also. We'll start pushing just from left leg forward. 1 and back. Your elbows, you need to fix them on the ground. 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep pushing. 6, 7. Go ahead. 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 1. Push. 2. Engage your core low back. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Bend, switch, fix your right, left on the floor, and we start pushing with your right. Forward, 1, 2, go ahead. 3, 4, good job. 5, 6, 7, 8, keep working. 9, 10, 5 more. 1, 2, keep holding your elbows on the floor. 3, 4, 5, good job. Switch. Go ahead, one more set, 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, go ahead. 5, 6, 7, 8, awesome. 9, one more, 10, and switch. Right leg left on the floor, and we start pushing with the right. 1, forward, 2, keep holding your elbows. 3, 4, awesome. 5, go ahead. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Slowly stand up. Okay, we continue. Keep holding your resistance band banded. Step on it. We'll work a little bit with lower back and butt. Relax forward. Keep your lower back straight. And then from here, just squeeze your butt forward and push up. Work from your legs. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go ahead. 9, 10. 10 more. Push. 1 from your legs. 2. Good job. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Release. Relax your arms. Inhale deeply. Then exhale. We continue. Next one will be leg with upper back. First, from here we squeeze your butt, push from our legs. Then we back, and then we push from our upper body. And then back. 1, and then from upper body. 2. Squeeze. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, 10. Good job. Release. We'll do one more set. Inhale deeply. Then exhale. We continue. Grab your resistance band. And let's work up. Squeeze your butt. Back. Push from your upper body. Squeeze. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Release. Okay, relax. Inhale deeply. Then exhale. We'll continue with shoulders. Open it, step on it, arms bend in front of you, and then slowly, nice and easy, gentle, start to push up. 1, 2, go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back. Inhale deeply. Exhale. One more set.
Bend your elbows in front and start pushing up. Straight arms. 1,
2, 3,
go ahead.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2,
1, and release. Let's inhale deeply. Exhale. Then, working a bit on our biceps. Bend. Grab half on your left, half on your right. Arms together. Then from here, you slowly push up. And 2. Slowly. 3. Go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2. Go ahead. 3. Good job. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Release. Breathe. One more. We continue grab and we work straight back, straight body and bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1. Go ahead higher. 2. Feel your biceps. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Awesome. 8, 9, 10. Good. Release. Again, inhale deeply. Then exhale. Last one. Grab. Third set, and we continue with next exercise. Posture and work just from biceps. 1. Go ahead. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3. Higher. 4. Feel your biceps. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Release. Awesome. We continue. Lower back, lower body, legs straight. Fix the resistance band on your right leg. Then we'll start pushing from the right leg. Raise it and slowly back. 1 and back. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1. Push. 2. Good. 3. Feel your hamstrings. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Switch. Left knee on the ground, right knee also, and then we start working from the left and go. 1, 2. Go ahead. 3. Push. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 10 more. 1. Awesome. 2, 3. Keep working. 4. Good job. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Release. Inhale deeply. Then exhale. One more set, each leg. Right one. Keep pushing. Squeeze your butt and feel your butt also. And up. Work. 2, 3. High. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. 5, 6, 7. Keep working. 8, 9, 10. Good. Switch. Left one. Right knee on the ground and go. 1, 2, 3. Push. 4, 5, 6, 7. Go ahead. 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1. Go jump. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Awesome. 8, 9, 10. Good. Release. Then let's do quick down facing dog, and then we continue.
Stretch your shoulders, stretch your hamstrings a little bit. Breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back.
Stand up. Then we do upper body. Grab it like this way, straight arms, thumb open towards the side. I'll turn back to you can see, and then from here slowly relax your trapeze, everything, and start pushing back. 1, 2, go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 1, go ahead. 2, 3, awesome. 4, one more. 5, and release. Good job. Inhale deeply, then exhale. Let's do one more set. I will do face to you. Straight arms. You can fix it closer. If it's not enough, you can tie it. You can work like together this way. And 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Release. That's it. Nice and easy. Quick warm up. Suitable for beginners. I don't suggest you to use something very tight in the beginning. Just try to feel more. Sometimes people try to use very tight resistance band and then they get injured. This is a big problem. Try to use something more light, but in the same time having good control. This will help you in your daily life, and in the same time it will help your body to feel every move better. Have a good day. Take care of yourself. Peace. Keep working.